Today we're looking at WM1 2K dashcam from VIOFO. The video resolution is 2560 by 1440, 30 frames per second. It comes with Sony IMX335 image sensor. It has app connection and the parking mode. Let's see what comes inside the box. This dashcam is budget friendly, it is very compact. You will be able to easily hide it behind the rearview mirror or anywhere else on the windshield. It doesn't take too much space. On top we have the flexible mount with 3M tape on the top. It also doubles as a GPS module, and as you can see we have the Type-C power port right here. You can also remove the dashcam from the mount this way. This will allow you to take the dashcam with you when you leave the vehicle. In the front we have the VIOFO logo, and also you have the camera lens here. Again, it's real 2K 2560 by 1440, and as I said, it records the video at 30 frames per second. On the side we have the micro SD card slot. It supports cards up to 256 gigabytes. You can get VIOFO SD card if you don't have one. I will leave you guys the link in the description. On the back of the dashcam we only have 4 buttons. If you press and hold the rack button, it will turn on and off the dashcam. If you press without holding, it will start and stop video recording. The mic button will start and stop sound recording. The Wi-Fi button will turn on and off the Wi-Fi. This way you can connect with the app on your smartphone. And the lock button will save the current file. This way it won't get overwritten, and if you press and hold the lock button, it will actually format the SD card. I think it's a great option. It's very easy to do it this way without using the application. We have previously reviewed the VIOFO T130 dashcam. This one is a 3-channel dashcam, and I'll show you guys how these two compare in terms of the size. First of all, the T130 has front and interior cameras. Our WM1 only has front camera, and as you can see, the WM1 is significantly smaller. The other big difference between these two is, of course, the price. The T130 costs at least twice as much. By the way, if you're interested, I will also leave you guys the link for the T130 review, which we have done previously. Make sure to check it out as well. I will show you what else we have in the box. We've got the Type-C power cable right here, and as I said before, this dashcam is capable of a parking mode, but in order to enable the parking mode you will need to get the hardwiring cable. Here we have the HK4 kit from VIOFO. It will work perfectly in this case. There are 3 options for the parking mode: the after event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate. We actually made another video before how to hardwire the T130 dashcam. I will leave you a link in the description. The parking mode in the WM1 works exactly the same way as in T130. We also have the USB Type-A to Type-C cable in the set. You can use it to connect the dashcam to your PC. We have extra tape for the mount. We have the trim removal tool, the manual, and we have the warranty card, 1 year. I think this is a great option for those who are looking for a compact, high-quality 1-channel dashcam. It is very fairly priced. It provides great video quality, and from our experience, VIOFO dashcams are built the right way and they do last. Right now we will install the dashcam in our vehicle, show you guys the VIOFO application, how it works, and we'll show you how it records the video. Alright guys, we have our dash cam installed on our windshield. It's hidden behind the rear view mirror. I'll show you guys again. You can rotate the dash cam all the way here in case if you, for example, install it in the back of the vehicle on the rear glass. And right now it's actually the camera is centered in the vehicle. This is our power cable which goes underneath the roof liner all the way over there. I want to point out again that because of its small size, the dash cam gets completely hidden behind the rearview mirror, and from driver's perspective it's not visible at all. I will turn on the vehicle.
Recording started.
Our dashcam starts to record, and right now I will enable Wi-Fi. I will press and hold the Wi-Fi button.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Now in your phone you have to open the VIOFO application. You can get it from the Play Store and press connect your camera. It's going to start searching for the camera. Press continue to system settings, and this is our Wi-Fi network right here. This is our VIOFO WM1. Press that. The password is 1234567 8.
Wi-Fi connected.
VIOFO tells us that, the WM1 dashcam tells us that Wi-Fi is connected. Press OK. And now you can go back to the application and press connect your camera again. And shortly you will actually see what our camera sees right now. This way, when you install the camera, you can adjust the angle and install it properly. You can rotate the screen, and then you'll be able to see the full screen view of what camera sees. Below we have our resolution again, 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames per second. There's an icon that says switch camera. This will only work if you have 2-channel or 3-channel dash cams. We can take the snapshot from here, picture, and if we want to go to our settings, or if you want to see the videos, first we have to stop recording. This sound by the dashcam means that it has stopped recording, and once we go to the menu it will stop beeping. And here, for example, one of our last files, you can preview it from here, and you can also download it to your phone from here as well. You can delete the file. I will go back. Again, it's gonna beep, but now we're going to go to settings. We have our video resolution here, 2560 by 1440. You can change it to full HD, but there is no point of doing that. Loop recording can be changed to up to 10 minutes. I'll go back. Recording audio is currently on. Exposure can be adjusted as well, from -2 all the way to +2. WDR, I will enable it right now. G sensor has medium sensitivity. I will set it to low sensitivity. Date stamp is on. Bitrate is normal. I will adjust it to maximum. Time lapse recording. No, we're not gonna do this right now. System settings, time zone, we've got time synchronization. This way it is going to synchronize the time with our phone. We've got the date here, boot delay. We've got the parking mode, currently is off, but as I said before, there are 3 options: after event detection, various options for the time lapse, and low bitrate recording. Parking recording timer, what this means is how long you can adjust how long your parking mode will work. You can set it up to 48 hours, and the minimum is 30 minutes. This means that in this case, for example, the parking mode will stop working after 30 minutes. Leave it off right now. Enter parking mode. You can delay the parking mode by 90 seconds. Parking G sensor, high sensitivity. Parking mode detection is high. We can rotate the image, we can mirror the image of the front dash cam. Notification sounds all on. We've got voice notification, we can turn it off. We've got GPS, which is working as well. Speed units can be changed to miles per hour if you want to. We've got the GPS stamp, speed plus coordinates. We've got the camera model stamp. It's currently on, frequency 60 Hz, voice notification volume high, you can adjust that as well. Let's say medium. We can format SD card from here, we can reset camera settings, we can change our Wi-Fi name and password, and we can make custom text stamp, we can add car license number, and it shows us free space on the card. Again, pretty straightforward. I will enable recording again.
Recording started.
I'll show you guys this lock button again. So if I press it, the dashcam
Video protected.
will save this file, put it in a separate folder. So if you see something, if something happens, just press this button and it's gonna save the file. And as I have mentioned before, you can also format SD card using this button. In order to make it happen, first you have to stop recording, video recording, and now you can press and hold this button.
Memory card format successful.
And shortly it's going to format the SD card for you. Again, the dashcam will keep beeping until it starts recording again.
Recording started.
So in short, that's the settings, these are the features, and it's time to see how it records the video. This is how the dashcam records the video during the day, and this is how it records the sound. This is how the dashcam records the video at night, and again, this is how it records the sound.